It's late, city's quiet, but my head isn't. Nights do that. You either chase fun or you sit with the truth. And tonight, I'm choosing the truth. Life is too short. I can't be like everyone else. I need to be far ahead. I can't afford being lazy. I'm done drifting. Starting with the CFCS exam, then the rest. I'm going all in. So far, from my decade of experience, I've learned that you don't know till you try. You don't really learn till you mess up. Discomfort is the price of growth. Time is your most valuable currency. Tonight is the line in the sand. Tomorrow morning, we begin.
Listen up, flatface. Quit destroying my car.
One more frame and I'm pulling your cable.
We come in peace. Today, you begin a journey that will not leave you the same person. I will take you by the hand and walk you through this world step by step. The knowledge I will give you is powerful. More powerful than you realize. It cuts through lies. It exposes corruption. It reveals the games criminals and even some corporations play in the shadows. This knowledge is universal. It doesn't matter if you are in the USA, Europe, or Japan. It applies everywhere. Once you carry it, you will see things others cannot. You will hold weapons your colleagues don't even know exist. And with that comes responsibility, because make no mistake, the same tools I will give you are used by criminals to destroy lives, or by good people like you to protect them. You must choose your side. Use this power with integrity, with kindness, with wisdom. Pass it forward. Protect it. Never exploit it. Understand this. Once you know the game, your life will not be the same. Some will fear you. Some may try to silence you because you'll see through their weakness, their negligence, maybe even their corruption. Knowledge is power, and that is the price of power. Carry it with courage, because you will no longer be blind. You will know the battlefield, the tricks, and the traps. But remember why we fight. We do this for the victims, for the people who lost their life savings to fraud, who lost their freedom to corruption, who lost their family to drugs or crimes. We do this for humanity, for your beliefs, for your faith, for your country, for your family. This is bigger than a career. It is a mission. This is not just training. This is transformation. Welcome to the fight.
Whether we like it or not, financial crime happens around us every day. The victims are people in our community, maybe someone we know, maybe even us. It doesn't matter how smart or careful we think we are. Impact isn't just money. Some victims can't take care of themselves or their families anymore, and some companies go out of business. The amounts are insane. In the USA alone, scammers rip off Medicare for about $70 billion a year. That's roughly $192 million disappearing every single day. Now you see why the US is one of the richest and most advanced countries in the world. Yet Americans are always complaining about healthcare, how bad it can be, and how expensive it is. I've seen it myself. A family member got sick, and I took him to a hospital in Inland Empire, California. Despite the hospital being close to some of the richest American cities where Hollywood stars live, it felt like a third world setup, even though he had full insurance coverage. The whole place was miserable. It wasn't about insurance coverage anymore. The whole infrastructure was bad. We had no choice but to move him to UCLA. As someone who loves the US and has many American friends, it honestly made me sad. Because less fortunate people might be stuck with hospitals like that, where no one cares and the next appointment might take years. The problem isn't a lack of money. It's that scammers are draining about $192 million every day in different ways. But it does hit all of us. Taxes go up, insurance gets more expensive, prices rise, governments spend more money cleaning up the mess instead of fixing roads, schools, or hospitals. And here's the worst part. Very little of the stolen money comes back. Globally, only around 2% to 5% is ever recovered. Over 95% is gone for good. By the time anyone starts chasing it, the money has bounced through multiple accounts, across countries, and ended up in some luxury condo. Inside companies, it can be even worse. Sometimes the people who are supposed to protect the system are the ones abusing it. The fox, guarding the henhouse, acting nice, and giving you that dirty fake smile. No outsider can do more damage than an insider who decides to steal. Sadly, there are plenty of these bloodsuckers. That's corruption at its worst. And the harm doesn't stop there. It makes crime feel normal. And others start thinking, if they're stealing, why shouldn't I? Overall, around the world right now, financial crime spreads because the risk is low and the rewards are huge. Criminals know the system won't stop them most of the time, and even if they get caught, a lot of their money is already safe.